Hi parents, I'm back. So my last video was only about multiplication by 3s and 4s. So now I'm still on lesson 103. So here we go. I can see that this is the homework page and it has some adding and subtracting. It has parallel lines. Parallel lines are like a railroad track so that they don't cross. I'm going to just draw over the parallel lines that don't cross. So here they are. These are the ones that are parallel. I'll put a P for parallel. I'm supposed to use red crayon, sorry. Okay, next one we have this part at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and help you with this large addition problem. So I can see that it says $23,294.81. So there's the decimal. So I'm going to add it. I have pennies, dimes. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 6 plus 1 is, I have a new phone, so it's kind of hard to hold this. 7. Ugh. This is not working. Okay. And 8 plus 4 is 12. I can see this is not working at all. And I carry the 1. Then we have 4 plus 0 is 4, and 1 more is 5. I should circle that up on the top. 9 plus 7, so it's 9, and you add, if you can't remember what it is, you could just tap it, 9, and you tap 7 times. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 16. And 1 on the hundreds, and circle it. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1 more is 8. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm tapping it. And then 1 on top of the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we need to remember to put our dollar sign. This one, I have a lot of mistakes. I forgot to bring down my decimal point. There it is. Right after the dimes and pennies. Then we have a new thing that I'm going to teach you in a second. That after 3, you put a comma. So there's the ones, tens, hundreds, and then you put a comma. So it says $31,865.27. So this brings me to my lesson about reading and writing 6-digit numbers. All right, here we go. So I have a number here that is 1760. And we read it 1,760. So this is where you put the comma. You put the comma after the hundreds, or after 3 of them. So you have the ones. This is not working very good either. Okay, I'll just get a different marker. All right, this is the ones, tens, and hundreds, and now we're at thousands. So sometimes my class knows that I say the ones are baby bear, the 6 is mama bear, this is 7, the hundreds are papa bear, and guess who this is? This is grandma bear. Anyway, we just make it up. But this is how you write it with words. So you would write 1,760. So let's go look at that. 1,760. I have 0 baby bears, 6 tens, and so that means 6 tens. That's why we have 60. Next one is 6,288. All right, we count 3 places. We have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and this is the thousands. So we say 6,288. So I put a comma after the 6. So let's just do one more. Let's do 10,000. 10,351. So I would count after 3 digits, after the hundreds place, 1, 5, 3, and that's where I would put the comma. And we would write 10,351. Okay, my next lesson is about multiplying by 100 and by 1,000. So I'm going to cover this up so it's not in the way. Multiplying by 100 and by 1,000. So you can see they have lots of zeros. All right, here's an example. 8 times 100. Well, we know 8 hundreds is 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. So we're used to doing this. And 8 times 0 is 0. And 8 times the other 0 is 0. But we don't need to remember how to do that. We just count the zeros. There were 2 zeros. So we just say 8 times 1 is 8, and that would be 800. Okay? Now let's do 54 times 100. So I have 2 zeros, and I have the number 54. That means 54 hundreds. That's what that means. So you just go ahead and put 54, and you add your other 2 zeros. But remember our thing I told you. You put a comma after 3 digits. So you have 1, 2, 3. You could say 5,400, or you could say 5,400. That is another way to say this. 5,400. I have some more to practice. 72 times 10. That means 72 tens. So I have 1 0. So what's 1 times 72? That means 172. So you write 72. And I only have 1 0. So 72, then you bring over your 0. That is 72 times 10 is 720. Now I have 60 times 1,000. I have a new trick here. I have 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there's my 4th 0. So I have to put in 4 zeros. Okay, and then I say, what's 1 times 6? It's 6. Look at my new number. Ooh, where do I put that comma? So I go 1, 2, 3, comma. And this is how you say it. You say 60, and this is 1,000 now. 60,000. So you say 60,000. Next one, 95 times 1,000. That means 95 thousands. I have 3 zeros. So I put 1 times 95 is 95. And I add my 3 zeros. And because I have 3 digits, there's the ones, tens, hundreds. I put the comma after the 100, and now I can say 95, and this is 1,000. 95,000. We have one more. 19 times 1,000. So that would mean 19 thousands. So we say we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So we go add 3 zeros. And we have 1 times 9 is 19. We put a comma after the first 3, 1, 2, 3. And that is 19,000. Okay, and then on your homework, let's go over to that, if I can make this work right. Okay, same thing. I have 92 times 1,000. So I count my zeros, 1, 2, 3. And 1 times 92 is 92. And I put comma, 0, 0, 0. So we say 92. And I'm going to write the word for you, 1,000. That's how we say it. 20 times 100, count your zeros, 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 times 1, that's 2, and you add your 3 zeros. This is 2,000. You put a comma after the 100. So there's the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and now we're in thousands. We have 2 thousands, okay? That was on the side B, so you could see me doing it right there. You only have to do one side of your homework. All of your homework is due on Friday, so I will be back tomorrow with more videos. Okay, I love all of you. Thank you. Bye.